With a unique dust shield from DTA, setting up the system can be achieved by one person in a few simple steps. Using the aluminium extension poles, add the base plates to the bottom end of the pole and push together to connect. On the extendable end of the pole, add the plastic support plates, push them together to connect. Next, you can lay out the plastic film in the desired location. Starting from one end of the plastic film, attach it to the support plates by undoing the clip and placing the plastic over the plate, and use the clamp to hold the plastic in place. Once the plastic film is attached, you can extend the pole by holding the top and middle sections and turning anti-clockwise to unlock and clockwise to lock. Repeat this process for the middle section of the pole by holding the middle and base section. Ensure all three sections of the pole are evenly spaced apart. Each pole has a firm, spring-loaded positive tension end to keep the pole secured in place. All excess plastic should be neatly placed underneath the base plate. Continue this process, ensuring the base plate is placed on top of the plastic before extending the remaining poles. Working along the length of the plastic film, space the poles evenly but no more than 2 meters apart unless using the roof support bar, which can support spaces of up to 2.5 meters. To create an entrance, locate your preferred access point. Make sure the zip is fully closed and the zip pull tag for opening the zip is at the floor. Slowly peel the backing off the zip and stick it to the plastic, working from the top down, peeling the backing paper off the zip as you go. Now open the zip all the way to the top and with a sharp knife cut the plastic between the zip opening. Simply repeat this process for multiple access points or a complete door. To hold the plastic film in place, attach the black clips around the poles over the plastic and clip into place. We recommend placing 3 clips on each pole evenly spaced apart. To seal the area completely, run some masking tape along the edge of the plastic film to attach it to the walls. Using the dust shield on an angled roofline, swap over the base and support plates on the pole. Place the plastic film over the base plate, which is now on top, and use the bracket clip to keep the plastic in place and prevent it sliding. For additional protection against dust, you can use the roof support bar in 2 ways. The first way is to secure a pole to the middle bracket of the roof support bar. With this option, a support plate is not needed. Extend the pole at the desired location and secure the pole. The other way the roof support bar can be used is to hook one end of the bar to a support plate, and then before extending the next pole, hook the remaining end of the bar to the second pole support plate and extend the pole to the roof and secure in place. Plastic sheets are available in black, white and opaque, allowing for a wide range of domestic and commercial uses.